Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorm Guitar. We have IAM Tongi here with a song called The Dance. So he's back here with the dance, and yeah, we have this calm playing here like it usually is with IAM Tongi songs, and pretty easy chords as well. We'll start with the capo set here on this first fret, and with that we have 4 different chords. That will be G, C, D, and the E minor. So let's go over the chords. We have first the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the next one here, the D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we'll learn the strumming pattern now. We will grab the G since that is the first chord. So one string around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that is one round. So down, up, then comes a clap, and then up, down, up. A couple rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm. Goes. Alright, so we're ready. When we have 2 different parts in the song, it's just the verse and the chorus play. So if we start here with the verse, it will be G, 2 string rounds, then C, 2, D, 2, and then in this first round, we're gonna play G1 and then D1. In the second round, because we will play this chord progression for 2 rounds, you're gonna play the same G2, C2, D2, but instead we're gonna play now the C1. So C1 here and then end in the same way with D1. So the first round you have the 4th chord as the G1, and in the second round you have the 4th chord as the C1. Alright, so one string around here, let's say the last one with the C1, and that's the first chord, will sound like this. So there you have the verse, and you're gonna play like this for both verses. Okay, and let's go over now to the chorus. You have the same strumming here. You're just gonna play C2, then D2, then E minor 2, C1, and D1. You play that chord progression for 2 rounds. One round sounds like this. C, D, E minor, C, D. You play like that for 2 rounds, and then we have an ending here in the chorus, and it goes like this. G, you're gonna play the down, up, clap, up. So almost one full round there. So down, up, clap, up. You just skip the down, up in the end there of this standard strumming pattern. So one G is like this. So the down, up, clap, up. And then you just switch to C and hit 1 down. And you repeat that again for a second round. So down, up, clap, up. And then C, down. And then on the 3rd round here of this ending here, you're just gonna play the down, up on G. Then you're gonna play 1 down of the following chords, D, C, and G. And a pause there. And that builds up for the next part, the next verse. All right, so the chorus here, just to summarize, was the first part here of 2 rounds: C2, strumming rounds, D2, E minor 2, C1, and D1. Like I said, 2 rounds of that part, and then we have the ending with G, the down, up, clap up, and then C, 1 down. Then repeat that again, down, up, clap up on G, and then C, 1 down. And then on 3rd round, you play the G, down, up, and then just D, C, G, 1 down per chord there in the end. So the ending here, I'm gonna play that a little bit slower for you so you understand how it's done. And it goes like this. All right. So there you have the chorus parts. You just play 2 rounds of this verse and chorus, and that is IAM TONGI's The Dance. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please show me some love back here. Subscribe to this channel, and perhaps leave a comment or what do you wish about this for future songs here. And on Gordon Guitar, you can wish for songs here, but also leave a comment on this specific tutorial here. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.